Hello, dear investors. The analytical community is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If you are interested, you can put a stop. You can study each indicator of the corporation in question in more detail. We will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company Interactive Brokers Group, Inc., ticker IBKR. This review was created using current information as of July 18, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Interactive Brokers Group, Inc. belongs to the subcategory. Exchange, 45 companies take part in the comparison. The result for the company is 0.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0.8 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the US stock market in general, we see that the average result for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's score of 0.5 points, Interactive Brokers Group, Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Interactive Brokers Group, Inc., and subcategory shares, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares Interactive Brokers Group, Inc. showed a dynamics of 90.7%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 62.3%. Market capitalization of the company Interactive Brokers amounts to $25.9 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $869 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $4.49 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $210 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. Comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Interactive Brokers in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 2.98%. The book value is 2.134%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $16.957 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 378% of equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very bad, -2 points. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 32.7. The average in the subcategory is 34.5. Evaluation of the stock market value to earnings ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $793 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $901 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 2.7. Average for subcategory 3. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $9,530 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $10,670 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 8.3%, with the average for the subcategory being 8.7%. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.572%, which is 90% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $8,640,000. And for the subcategory, $4,559,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit per employee is $264,500. Subcategory average, $132,300. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The share of revenue per individual employee of the organization is $3,178,000. Subcategory, $1,524,000. Revenue per employee compared to subcategory figures, good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 2.3%, compared to the subcategory average of 1.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 71% for the company Interactive Brokers Group Inc. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 59%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $59.44. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $64.63. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions this season by the information and reference system for evaluating shares Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's shares Interactive Brokers Group Inc. Information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Do not open an order, as the current video is a review. Thank you very much to the audience for watching this video and for using the information system Guru.Markets.